Welcome to TD Consultant. Now we have expanded the domain of TD Consultant. We used to upload the videos only about the power, electrical power. Now you will see we will upload the videos about information technology application in power system, AI, artificial intelligence application in power, smart grid, and what are the IT services, the vocabulary of the information technology world, and also we will deal here the how to set up the companies in USA, Canada, and Australia, because many of students, startups, they are setting up businesses in USA and Canada. So we will give you information about how to set up, what are the laws there, what are the legalities, what are the risk factors, from where you have to take the permissions in, and what laws you have to follow about the email, cold messages, things like that. But this channel is only for information purposes. So read this carefully, that this information is only for the information for just for information, general information only. And nothing constitutes to the legal advice. So if you want to take the legal advice, please do contact the relative uh, professional. Like in electrical power, you can always contact me. Now, this particular video is about the application of information technology in power sector. You can see here number of functions which are for a long time now IT based, and some of them are going or have been transformed into artificial intelligence based software as well. But in this video, we will discuss only the use of information technology or the computer science or the softwares or the hardwares in the power sector. Now, first one is the supervisory control and data acquisition. You know SCADA. This is very famous, and the electrical utilities, power utilities, and gas utilities, all those uh, companies use the SCADA. So you know the SCADA, and I have uploaded our separate video on the topic of the SCADA. What are the components and how does it function? So SCADA is very important. Now the other is the energy management system. Now this is a very vast area that you have to optimize energy transmission and distribution. Optimization means that you have to use the resources most efficiently, most efficient use of resources. Most What are our resources? Our resources are generation, our transmission, our distribution system. So here we are talking energy management system, and the IT or the information technology or the software are being used for a long time now, few decades, 2 3 decades now, for the energy optimization in transmission and distribution. Now you see here, I have written here a transmission line monitoring. See, now you have heard Internet of Things devices, you have IED devices, you know about the sensor. So all these kind of sensors have been installed on transmission line to measure the kind of fault, the temperature rise or the atmospheric temperature, vibrations, and humidity and other factors. So this transmission line monitoring now has advanced so much that not only information technology, but now artificial intelligence is being used to uh, optimize the uh, energy flowing on the transmission lines. So this is now very advanced, and we will have different lectures on transmission line monitoring and the dynamic line rating, topics like that. Now, number 4, the predictive maintenance. So now software are available that you can predict, yeah, you can analyze the data collected from various sensors like gas analysis. Gas can be collected online when transformer is on, and you can analyze the data that what is going on inside the transformer, and you can uh, plan your maintenance plans. And if you predict by looking at the data analysis through the use of software or the detect or the sensors, then you can always predict that what is going on and what to maintain. Now, grid management. This you see another area, that grid management, that it means that load flows, how the energy is flowing, what are the reactive active components, things like that. So this is very, very important. And I have uh, made the lectures on this, not exactly this topic, but the technologies used on that. You can check. There is a GETS technology, the GETS technologies, technologies, and there are FACT devices. FACT means flexible AC transmission. So I have already uploaded lectures on this one. Now, substation automation, this is, it is now few decades that the substations, operations, relay system, everything have been revolutionized. And there is a IC standard in use for a long time now, 61850. And you know that substation automation is very much in, and that is also uh, based on, you can say, the information technology. So see, so many things going on. You have heard the name of these in the short form, SAS. You have heard this SAS. So SAS, Substation Automation System. I have the videos on this also, on the IC standard. You can see my lectures or my YouTube channel, SIR ABRAR YouTube channel. My name is Abrar and Son Abrar. SIR ABRAR YouTube channel. SIR ABRAR. SIR ABRAR Ali YouTube channel. So you can go through that YouTube channel and you will find out. Now, smart grid. Smart grid actually nothing but the combination of all these technologies. If you are using all the technologies are the procedures which are described here on the 1 to 6 and also beyond 7, all those will contribute to the smart grid, where you will have to integrate the renewable energies, energy storage, flexible AC transmission line demand side management, uh, etc. That means the smart grid. That make this grid smart. So it is not the just one function or one software or one technology. There are so many technologies. Like I have written here, the GETS technology, that grid enhancement technology. That is another step above the smart grid. Now let's go to another slide. Now the another application here, many more. Power line communication. So see, this power line communication is used in protection. In protection, you use in meeting system. In protection, especially the distance relay. You can see my lectures on the distance protection, and you will notice there are the um, lectures about this. So conditioning, monitoring, health, that is again related to the transformer and transmission line. You can have the DGA sensors or the collector installed on the transformer, and then you that can be analyzed to the software, and you can find out the health of the equipment, right? Now, geographical information, GIS, very important, because every utility now has go through the GIS system. You should know where are your towers, where is the fault located, because you know the protection relays, distance relays, they give you an approximation, but by GIS you can locate exactly that where is that particular asset, equipment, etc. Now asset management, this is also very important area. You track your transmission line assets, or you can then find out the health by various IT softwares, and then you can schedule predictive maintenance. You can reduce the cost of replacement by using the latest technologies. See this the fact technology has revolutionized the world. Fact AC, flexible AC transmission. It has now delayed the projects all over the world. Delayed means not in a negative sense. Delayed means that no need. Using fact, there have been ample capacity in the existing transmission lines so that they do not have to invest in new transmission lines, and this is reducing the replacement cost. So fact devices are the flexible AC transmission devices, all electronics based, thyristor based, and application of software as well. So this is it. Now cyber security has become a now big problem, because if when you go everything online, real time, IT based, then there is always a risk of cyber attack, and that has become a very important area. Now, data analytics I have already covered. Data analytics was covered in the data connected by any sensor. You can then analyze the efficiency of the line. Now, AI has become now very hot subject, and we will deal it separately. I will upload that in which area the AI is being used. I am already writing a paper with some of my colleagues on application of artificial intelligence in uh, predicting the transmission line rating, that is a dynamic line rating, real-time rating. Now the rating of the transmission line, which you know usually, that is known as the static rating of the line. Now by using the artificial intelligence, you can have the dynamic line rating, DLR. So that is, I have already uploaded on many videos on DLR. Please go through the DLR. What is DLR? Very important. So I am writing a paper on this as well. Now, Internet of Things has become a very important area. Again, you can control and you can operate. You can various equipment controlling the transmission lines, grid stations, etc. So see where the electrical engineering is going. Don't live in the old uh, knowledge only, because when you apply for the interview in the Middle East and in North America, Europe, then you will have to come across all these. At least remember these names, all these names, the 12, 14, 15, so that you can tell immediately, yes, I know, and these are the applications which are in the market, which have been already in use. So this is, I suppose, all for today. And let me see if there is anything else. See, yeah. Now, this is a slight introduction. If you need any information, please send us email on this. This TDC consultant has become now a big company, and we have the B2B lead generation services, and then we have the ID services and IT enabled services. So please go through it. You can stop the video and go through it, and you need any information. So all these topic which you see here, we are in the market now. We are providing these services, as well as we are uploading the videos on the all of these topics in the same channel, SIR ABRAR channel, and to educate you about all these services. Now, these are our power videos, just a sample here. So I hope this video lecture was beneficial to you. And please subscribe, please like, please share with your students and your colleagues. This is equally good for engineers and the technologists. And it is very important now to get a job anywhere in the world. Maybe in Pakistan, nobody is asking for any of these, whether you are using or not. But as soon as you enter into the new world through immigration, through you go for MS, PhD, then you will come across these things. You can go on the internet, Google, you can see so many papers and the applications of information technology, maybe more than that, which I have told here today. So thank you very much. Please subscribe, and that encourages me to make more videos. Thank you very much. So let's have a break here. Stop recording.